My name is Piyush. I'm the founder of RhythmEmphasis Design Studio. We started this firm in 2010. It's been more than a decade that we are practicing interior designing and architecture in the industry. And we are based out in Hyderabad. So we do residential projects, mostly individual houses, apartments across Pan India and Hyderabad. So we are a team of young, vibrant, energetic people who are passionate about the design and who live up to their passion. We use a lot of neutrals and whites in our projects. Reason behind that is it gives you a luxury, it gives you richness, and it makes the space more spacious. And that's one of the reasons that most of our houses are in neutral themes, and that's our signature style. The owners of the houses are mid-aged couple. When they came up to us, they were having very specific requirements, asking for a house which has a very neutral shades and lots of greenery around, and then they have the beautiful terrace. So they wanted to decorate like beautifully where they can sit, relax, have a morning cup of coffee. Keeping that in mind, what we did is we designed a house which has white color walls and neutral color sofas, and furniture around the house is all in neutral shades. We chose to keep most of the spaces open because as the house is small, and if you play around with a lot of furniture and not lot of objects, then it tend to look very small. Hence we try to keep it as minimal as possible on the floors as well as on the walls. The client requirement was to use a lot of luxury materials, and with that we have used a lot of marbles on the floors. We have used luxury quads on top of the kitchen platform, and along with that she never wanted to compromise in terms of quality. Hence we have gone for the best of best quality. For example, in the kitchen we have used CenturyPly, which gives us the durability, and it is very hassle-free. We can trust the brand because it's been more than a decade that I've been using CenturyPly, and I have not seen any kind of complaint. Kitchen we have specifically used CenturyPly, and for the rest of the house we have used CenturyMDF because I wanted to use the PU finish, and MDF is so well calibrated, the PU finish comes out really well on top of it.
The client brief was very clear and she was very supportive, and the execution was very much fun.
When it comes to designing a new house, my message to the new owners would be you should always prefer a designer who knows the designing and who knows how to utilize the space. When it comes to the designing, it's not just about putting up some furniture together and making it look beautiful, it's also about how it is going to function together. And never compromise on the quality of material that you're going to use. Prefer always branded and quality materials for your house so that the lifetime it will be all hassle-free.